मेरो घाँटी दुखेको छ। I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. खुलेर बोल्नुहोस्. Speak frankly. Speak frankly. उनी कृतज्ञ छिन्. She is grateful. She is grateful. यो जटिल छ. It is intricate. It is intricate. खाना बासी छ. The food is stale. The food is stale. आशावादी हुनुहोस्. Be optimistic. Be optimistic. यो उपयोगी छ. It is useful. It is useful. यो महँगो छ. It is expensive. It is expensive. दूरी राख्नुहोस्. Keep distance. Keep distance. उनी मूर्ख छिन्. She is dumb. She is dumb. उनलाई रुगाखोकी लागेको छ. He has a cold. He has a cold. एकदम ठीक. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. तिमी ओल्छी छौ. You are lazy. You are lazy. सफा लुगा लगाउनुहोस्. Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. म दुखी छु. I am unhappy. I am unhappy. टाढा जानुहोस्. Get away. Get away. के हामी कुराकानी गर्न सक्छौं? Can we talk? Can we talk? अनि तपाई? How about you? How about you? यो बेकार छ. It is useless. It is useless. म बाहिर छु. I am outside. I am outside. खाना स्वादिष्ट छ. The food is tasty. The food is tasty. ध्यान दिएर सुन्नुहोस्. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. घरैमा बस्नुहोस्. Be at home. Be at home. उनी कमजोर छिन्. She is weak. She is weak. यसलाई जान दिनुहोस्. Let it go. Let it go. बाहिर नजानुहोस्. Don't go out. Don't go out. अलि अलि गर्दै. Bit by bit. Bit by bit. आफूलाई बचाउनुहोस्. Save yourself. Save yourself. घाममा खेल्नु हुँदैन. Don't play in the sun. Don't play in the sun. आफूलाई सुधार्नुहोस्. Mend yourself. Mend yourself. के तपाईलाई खोकी लागेको छ? You have a cough. You have a cough. तपाईलाई सलाम छ. Hats off to you. Hats off to you. एक्लै हुनु. Be alone. Be alone. अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई लाइक, फलो, शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला.